So here we have this 32 pack of mini painter's pyramids. Now these are great if you do any amount of painting, staining, or finishing. They can easily hold any project up like cabinet doors or drawers or any other project that you need to paint. The pyramids are great because they let you paint one side of your workpiece and then flip it over to paint the other side without waiting for it to dry. And if you're careful, they won't leave any marks. Also, if you're painting something like cabinet doors, you'll need to use 4 of these per door. The cones can lock together like this to make them more stable, or even be screwed down with these holes so they can't move at all. They can also hold round objects like this dowel, so I can easily paint the whole thing. And when you're done with them, you can easily stack them back together and put them away. Now I especially like to use these along with this electric paint sprayer when I have a batch of woodworking projects that I need to finish. So if you're remodeling your kitchen and have a lot of doors or drawers to paint, then these should make that a lot easier.